How to view Snapscore on Snapchat? Curious about your Snapchat activity or wondering how active your friends are? Let's quickly walk through how to view your Snapscore and theirs. Start by launching the Snapchat. Now tap a Bitmoji in the top left corner. Now right under your Snap code and username, you will see a number. That's your Snapscore. Tap it to reveal or breakdown of snaps sent and snaps received. As you can see, your snap score is 5. Close it. Now if you want to check your friend's score, go to your chats. Now tap on the Bitmoji and you'll see the score right below your username right here. You can only see snap scores if they are friends with you. Tap on it and you can see he has received 53 snap score. And that's it. Snapscore reflects your overall Snapchat activity, but not messages or calls. It's part fun, part mystery. So don't overthink the math. If this helped you out, give it a like, hit subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment with how high your Snapscore is. Thanks for watching.